Topics in this video include on-off switch, emergency stop switch, touchpad and all system device functions, appliances, and device cleaning and disinfection. Welcome to your new Green X 4-in-1 imaging device, which includes panorama, CBCT, model scanning, and optional Ceph. This will be a general overview of your device. Starting with the main power on-off switch, which is located on the back side of the column of the device, simply flip the green on switch and the machine will go through all of its system checks and then will initialize and rotate to its default starting position. If a problem occurs during image acquisition, you can press the red emergency stop switch, which is located under the horizontal arm, to immediately stop the moving parts and cut off all power to the equipment's electrical components. To restart the equipment, turn the emergency stop switch clockwise until it pops up. You will have to restart the acquisition screen to take another image. Use the column up-down switch, which is attached to the front of the machine, to adjust up or down for the patient's height. The buttons on the front of the control panel are as follows. The column up and down button, which moves the vertical frame up and down to adjust to the height of the patient. The chin rest up and down buttons, which adjusts for patient positioning for CBCT only. The laser beam on and off button, which enables you to turn on and off the laser beam. The beam up and down buttons, which enables you to raise and lower the horizontal beam in panel mode only. The ready return button, which indicates the patient positioning is complete and machine rotates to capture position. Also, on the right side of the device is the canine beam alignment lever for panel only, and the temple rod adjustments for patient stability. The component storage area on the side of the column is a place to house appliances, bite stick covers, and other components. To open, tap the right side and the door will open. Silicone ear rod covers and nasal bar covers for Ceph, vinyl bite block covers, and bite stick, 2D TMJ and sinus, and chin cup storage. The appliance options that come with the Green X are as follows. Standard bite stick, special bite B or edentulous rest, special bite A or 2D TMJ sinus rest. Additionally, here are some common configurations. Standard bite stick with chin rest, special bite B or edentulous rest with chin rest, special bite A or 2D TMJ sinus rest with chin rest. The exposure switch allows the operator to control image acquisition from outside the X-ray room. Press and hold the exposure switch down until the acquisition is completed. Premature release of the exposure switch will abort the image acquisition. Pressing the exposure switch activates the LED indicator to turn yellow. This color indicates that the X-ray is being taken. To clean and sanitize your Green X machine, use hydrogen peroxide-based wipes. Secondly, dry the same area with a dry cloth after.